Picture a candlelit seminar room at midnight. Papers scattered, a chalk-drawn diagram of the clitoris glowing under a projector. And then imagine the whole thing as both science lab and secret club. That's where I learned to turn curiosity into kindness and myths into practice. You, yes you in the front row, are about to get a fat, sharp tour of two very human subjects: clitoral pleasure and female self-exploration, with a little folklore thrown in to keep your spine tingling. First, the map. The clitoris is not a single dot. It's an organ with a visible tip and a hidden body that spreads sideways inside the pelvis. For many people with vulvas, this structure is the most reliable source of high pleasure. That's biology, not magic. The myth says there is one simple trick. The science says people differ wildly. Some like light, some like firm, some like rhythm. Learning that is a research project you can do with consent and curiosity. Now, female masturbation, not a shameful secret, but a private lab where a person experiments with their own response patterns. It's practical. It teaches what kind of pressure, motion, and timing feel good. It's empowering. It builds knowledge of anatomy and autonomy. It's also social. Partners who have learned their own naps often share clearer directions and ask better questions. Cunnilingus, let's use that clinical word, is all attention directed at a partner's genital. Urban legends swirl around it. If you do it this way, an orgasm happens in 3 minutes, or the clitoris is tiny, so oral work is simple. Both are false.
The truth is slower and more interesting.
Success comes from listening, from checking in, and from responding to cues. A breath, a hand, a change in tone. Think of it as a conversation, not a checklist, practical, non-sensational tips that respect boundaries. Always ask for consent. Start by asking what the partner likes and dislikes. Watch and listen. Bodies give honest feedback. Use gentle exploration. Vary speed and pressure, and pay attention to what changes in response. Encourage solo practice. Learning one's own patterns is the single best classroom for partnered intimacy. Hygiene and lubrication are simple helpers, nothing theatrical, just sensible care. Now for the far superstition. My favorite campus legend was the midnight tongue. A rumor that a secret society teaches perfect technique by candlelight. We laughed, then we held a workshop. The workshop's real secret was not a technique, but the space it created. Permission to ask, to fail, to learn, to say stop. That is the occult power worth seeking. So if you're curious, do a responsible thing. Read reliable resources, talk openly, practice solo, ask clearly, and treat every intimate moment like a shared experiment. Pleasure, like science, rewards careful observation, patient iteration, and genuine respect.